Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and today we're going to talk about a fix for those of you that have Wi-Fi problems. Either you can't connect to your network, either you have intermittent Wi-Fi. One of the things that can happen in Windows 10, and it's been like that for every version of Windows actually, it's not unique to Windows 10, and especially if you have upgraded to a newer version of Windows 10 like the May 2019 update, and you find yourself with intermittent Wi-Fi. One of the things that is probably happening is maybe you got some corruption in the setup of your Wi-Fi. The network that Windows connects to could have some kind of corruption in the information, and it can create problems with connectivity. So, okay, first of all, always remember, got problem with Wi-Fi? Unplug your router, your modem. Some of you have a combination, a combo where the modem and the router are in the same box for 30 seconds and wait for it, and then plug it back, wait for it to come back to normal. All the little lights should be back blinking and showing you pretty much the same thing, that it's okay, and see if it's better. That could already be a fix, because remember that a router and a modem are little computers. And these computers, well, they need to restart like a PC sometimes. If that's not it, then you have another thing you need to check. And when you are plugged into your network, and here I got my icon here connected to my 5 gigahertz network, there's a indication of the strength of the signal. You need to have full strength or a good signal. If your signal looks like, let me just show you one here. So look here at the ones here, Bell 948 is a very small signal. If your signal looks like that, well, there's a big chance that the problem of connection to internet or your intermittent connection is because your signal isn't strong enough. And that doesn't have anything to do with Windows, but rather on the router's distance, your computer's Wi-Fi adapter that might sometimes be crappy. There are some crappy ones out there. So you might want to try and fix that, because when the signal is weak, you might also have interference from other routers from your neighbors, for example. And last but not least, remove your Wi-Fi network configuration in Windows and actually reconnect. That also means you'll need to know the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to and the password for Wi-Fi connectivity. So how do you do that? Simply go to your settings in Windows 10. In here, you'll go to Network and Internet. And on the left side, you'll see Wi-Fi. Something called Manage Known Networks. Click here. And here you will see all the networks you've connected through time appear on this list. So what you do is, honestly, if you only connect to one Wi-Fi, and if you've got a big list like I have here, you might want to just remove everything so that you can actually connect. So for example, I will, click the network and click forget. Forget means that you're telling Windows, you know what, this I'm not connecting to anymore. So forget about it. I'm not going to use that. And so disconnect from everything that you're connected to. So all the networks that list has, click the forget. Of course, that means that if you were connected, you will actually be disconnected. And that means you need to reconnect to your network again. And once that is done, once you've removed everything, or at least removed your own connection, just click back on the icon, the Wi-Fi icon in your taskbar, and there simply click your network, click the connect button. Of course, it will ask you for the password, because now you've removed everything. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and make sure that you actually put a little check mark also in that little box that says connect automatically. And if all is successful, you'll be connected back, and chances are you'll have less problems afterwards, because you have basically kind of redone the configuration. So if it was corrupted, it should be back to normal. So hopefully this is going to help out. I have a few more videos that I'll have this week on other things to look at when you use your Wi-Fi, because several things can happen that make your Wi-Fi not working well in or PC, or some of them will actually even show you some of the problems you might actually encounter even with a smartphone or a tablet. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.